What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on this video we'll be deriving the following functions that you should see there. Alright, so this function here guys, before we do it, you can pause and try to find the derivative of it. If you are new in this channel, welcome, and you can also subscribe to the channel because I made lots of videos man on other chapters like trigonometry. I also made videos on expansion, limits, as well as derivative. So this one here, it's part 7 of trigonometric functions, where we derive trigonometric functions. So guys, let's do this problem here. So before you derive, you need to simplify this. Let's look at our denominator then. When you look at your denominator, we have cos to the power of 4 minus sine to the power of 4. Guys, the denominator here, this is what you call the difference of 2 square. So this is the difference of 2 square. When you simplify this, or when you factorize this, it's going to be cos squared x minus sine, just write it in the right way. So it's going to be minus sine squared x, and then another bracket, and then cos squared x plus sine squared x. This is what we call difference of 2 square, guys. Yes, this is a factorization, is what you call difference of 2 square. Do not forget, guys. Right? All right, so let's continue. Now, when you look at these two brackets on the denominator here, let's start with the first one here. We have cos squared minus sine squared. So this here is an identity, guys. It's a double identity, this one, guys. If you go and watch the videos here, you will see that video where I derive this double identity that I'm talking about here. Go and watch the video, and then you will see what do I mean by that. So this one here, it's also a square identity. Cos squared x plus sine squared x, this is going to give us an identity which is 1. So let's continue. Let's do this one, guys. Now we have 1. So what double angle is this? So what is double angle identity is this one. So this one's gonna be cos 2x. Like I said, go to the icon here, watch that video about double angle identities. And then what about cos squared plus sine squared? This is actually 1, right? This is the square identity. We know about this one, guys. Then from here we find the inverse. What is the inverse of cos 2x? But before we find the inverse, why are we finding the inverse here? Remember, you cannot differentiate when the trigonometric ratio is at the denominator. You must take it to the numerator. So in order for us to do this, we need to find the inverse. So what is the inverse of cos? So the inverse of cos is sec, and then 2x. Remember this 2x here. So this is the inverse. If you're not so sure about inverses, I made videos about inverses. Go and watch them here, guys. There is a video there. Go and watch the inverses. I made videos about the inverses of the trigonometric ratios. Okay, now that we are here, let's start now. Let's start. As you can see, we can now able to differentiate this one. Now, the formula that you're going to use, first of all, before the differentiation, this is going to be sec, and then what do we have? We do have a coefficient of x, which is n, and then the dy over dx of this problem here is going to be n, then sec n x multiplied by tan n x. All right, guys, this as well, this formula here as well it is also there on your icon there. Go and watch this video about these formulas. I did explain them on that video on the icon there. All right, now we need to substitute this formula here, or this function here on our left, to the one here on our right, the dy over dx. So first of all, you need to write the unknown. The unknown here, fortunately enough, it's only one, which is gonna be n, and n is gonna be 2, because n is the coefficient of x. So when we find the dy over dx of this problem right here, it's gonna be, as you can see, we have n here, so n, which is gonna be 2, then we say sec x, 2x, sorry, sec 2x. Be very careful, as you can see I made a mistake there. Sec 2x multiplied by tan 2x. That is your final answer. Rather leave it like this, guys. Okay, leave it like this. This is the final answer. Guys, if this video was very useful, do not forget to subscribe, like, and also comment if you have anything to say on about this video. You can always share these videos with your friend, and if you want to watch videos on trigonometry, there is a playlist on playlist section. Go and watch the basics on trigonometry, and also you can also watch the expansion, the limits as well on those playlists. At the end of this video, there's also a playlist of the derivatives of trigonometric functions. Go and click that link. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Till next time, cheers.